Hi guys, hope you guys are doing great. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to install these on your wall, but without damaging it, and for less than $10. I'm assuming that if ever you click on this video is because you wanted to install it on your wall and you don't want to damage your wall. But if you're looking many other tutorial on YouTube, many claims that this is the solution. This work, no problem with that. But the problem with these is the price. It's pretty pricey, so if ever you're like me and you want to install in all the walls, it's gonna cost you a lot. Like me, I did a calculation, and with that, to install in all my rooms, it's gonna cost me like around $150 if I want to do the full room. But I will show you how to install that for less than $10. You only gonna need two things. You're gonna need first a double side tape. That alone, it will damage your wall. But the solution with that is you mix that with a masking tape. You mix the two together, trust me, it won't damage your wall. This alone will, mix with this, won't damage it, and I will show you how to install it right now. So what you need to do, you take your double side tape, you cut like 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and you install it right in the middle, like this. You do a little pressure just to make sure it stays well, and that, you see that, if I look, it won't go out. That's why you don't want to put that side on the wall, because with that you will damage your wall. But what you do, a trick I found, is you peel that out, you take your masking tape, you just cut a piece a little bit bigger than that, you turn it the other way because you want the sticky side to stick on the wall, not on that. So you put it the other way, like this. That type of tape won't damage your wall. So you take it and you install that on your wall. So what you need to do to install it, you just take it like this, put it like this, and you do like a pressure for like 10 seconds, and voila. And if I look with the other one that I installed, these have been installed over a week ago, like 2 weeks ago, I think. If I take the phone, you see, it stays very good. But let's say you want to take it out. What you do, you only lift it up a bit here. You're gonna see the tape. With your nails, you take out the tape. Now I'm not gonna peel it off because I want this to stay on my wall. But I've been doing a test with other ones, easy, and it won't damage the wall at all. So now I'm gonna install a few other than that, and we're gonna look together the result. Yeah. So as you can see, this is the result. It's not completely finished. As you can see a bit in the back, I still have a couple to finish. It's working super good, super resistant. Don't forget to subscribe, like. Take care, guys.